Hello, dear students. I am Teacher Rita. God Almighty, bless and protect us all, be with us always. Today you will learn the poem Rain in Summer by H.W.Longfellow. His full name is Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. In this poem, the poet H.W. Longfellow describes the beauty of rain in summer. Rain in summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain! How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs! How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout across the window pane. It pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain by H.W. Longfellow. Meanings of some words from the poem. Fury, looking like fire, hot and bright, flaming. During summer, the streets are very hot and it looks as though they are on fire. Clatter, make rapid, short knocking sounds, like the clattering of the pitter patter raindrops on the tiled roofs of the houses. Hoof, horn like part of an animal's foot, here the horse's foot. Gutter, channels at the sides of a road to carry away rainwater. Spout, pipe to throw out water from the roof. This pipe is connected from the ceiling of the roof to bring down the rainwater to the ground. When there is a heavy rainfall, the rainwater comes out through the spout. Tide, swift flow of water. Usually you hear about high tides and low tides. Tramp, sound of heavy footsteps. Here, footsteps of running horses. You can hear it now. Rain in summer. H.W. Longfellow tells us how beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain! He tells us the beauty of the rain after the hot, warm, sunny day. How the rain settles down the dust and clears uh, and gives us a clean atmosphere and cools down this place from the broad, fiery street that looks like the street is on fire. But as soon as the rain comes, it cools down, and even in the narrow lanes, you can find the rain pouring down and cooling the lane. How beautiful it is to look at the rain in summer. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. Here the poet compares the clattering of the raindrops on the roof to the tramp of hoofs. As you already know the meaning of clattering given in this video. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Here, how, due to the heavy rainfall, how the water gushes and struggles out from the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and pours. Here, the poet refers to the rain that is seen across the window pane as it pours and pours, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. How the water gushes out swiftly and becomes into a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter rolls. Here, the muddy tide looks like a river flowing down the gutter. The rain, the welcome rain. The poet H.W. Longfellow and everyone else welcomes the rain during summer as it cools the environment. Memorize the poem Rain in Summer.